I just wanted to inquire about the scheme. Could you please explain me in detail?
Definitely. So before we go ahead, just wanted to know how did you come to know about the scheme?
Actually, one of my friend, she introduced me with this scheme, and I'm really interested to invest into this.
Okay, firstly I will let you know you have come at the right place.
Mm-hmm.
We are very genuine, wherein this particular scheme that we have come up with is after all the requests that we have received from various different people. They have approached because if you see today's market conditions are such that things are getting very expensive. So to win any big prize, it is very difficult, and to buy it is more difficult because savings are very rare. Okay, so let's come back to the scheme. Basically, this is Win Big Group where dreams become reality. Out here, if you see, we have very easy, affordable installment of just 1,111 rupees.
Okay.
That you need to pay only for 6 months. It's not a long scheme.
Every month?
Every month, only for 6 months. And the best part is you can participate from any part of India. So if you are an Indian living in India, you can surely participate. And we have made things very easy. It would be online that you could do the payment, and you would receive a card online stating that
Coupon.
yes, the coupon card basically stating all your details with a unique identification number stating your unique code on it. Alright?
Just a doubt, whether I have to pay any taxes with this installment fee or something?
Okay. So here, this is only 1,111 rupees that you need to pay every month. This is inclusive of the taxes. Okay. By the end of the scheme, you are paying in total 6,666 only.
Yeah.
It's a very small amount for such lovely, beautiful prices.
Yeah, right.
If you see, initial first 5 months, there are prices like bike or Umrah, because this was the demand of many people that they can't afford such expensive things. So we have come up with this. Then there would be a mobile phone and a laptop basically. And after this, on the 6th month, it would be a grand draw. In the grand draw, it would be a bike or Umrah followed by 3 washing machines, 3 refrigerators or 3 televisions. So before you proceed and think something, let me be very clear. Per winner, it will be 1 item.
Oh, okay.
So the coupons will go properly in the draw. It will be properly tumbled around, and then genuinely, randomly, 1 ticket will be picked up for each particular item.
Okay, okay. So could you please elaborate on rules and regulations, because what if at the end of the 6 months I have done all the installments, but will I get the refund or something?
No, let me be very clear that you have asked a very good question.
Okay.
Herein, once you pay the amount, you won't get any refund. So before investing, read the details, speak to your family, decide, and only then enroll.
Okay.
So every month you're paying 1,111. There will be no refunds at the end of the scheme, nor during the scheme. Okay. So initially, when you're paying, the payment time duration would be between 1st to 10th of each month.
Okay.
And lucky draw every month will be taken out at 15th. Now, I know there is a question going on in your mind that how will you come to know you have won or not?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, because many tickets, they randomly show the numbers and you're not sure it's genuine or not. But here, to keep things very genuine, very clear, very transparent, we have done, you have 2 alternatives. One, you could just visit Davangere in Karnataka, wherein this draw is happening. But now, as you are from a different state altogether, you can't travel that long. We have made things more easy for you. You can just go on the YouTube link that we will provide you. On 15th, 8 o'clock, okay, 8 p.m. sharp, we will start with the draw. It will be live.
Okay.
So everything that is happening, it's happening in front of your eye.
Okay.
So-
Great. Nice.
This is a very genuine part that you won't see everywhere and anywhere. To keep a transparency and to ensure that everyone is getting a fair chance to win, we have to come up with this particular folio.
Okay, nice.
Win Big Group, where dreams become reality. Season 1. Please ask detailed terms and conditions and requesting you to read all the terms and conditions details carefully before enrolling. Disclaimer. The organizer has no branches or franchises. Monthly installment is not considered as an investment but an advance payment for future purchases. Organizer's decision, final and binding. All members must pay monthly installments for 6 months. No refunds will be given under any circumstance during or after completing the installments. Please note, these guidelines are subject to change. Please refer to the latest version for the most accurate information. All rights reserved with the organizer. The organizer's decision is final and binding.